Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Crafts with Pragati. Today I will show you this very easy and unique gift idea for Father's Day. I will show you all this decoration to make this beautiful gift. On the back side I have added a stand. You can stand it like this. So without any further delay, let's get started. First I am taking two cardboard pieces of 18 cm by 12.5 cm. Now take one piece of cardboard and make lines on this with black color sketch pen. Cut the extra portion and draw this type of brick shape. Then I am writing numbers on it for understanding. Now cut all the pieces. Then I am connecting all the small pieces on this big cardboard. So it is done. Now I am taking this texture paste. This is made with plaster of Paris, glue and water of same quantity, and then applying this paste over this cardboard. Now I am creating texture with knife. Keep it to dry for some time. So it is dried completely. Now I am coloring it with brown color. Then I am creating shades with dark brown color. So it is done. Now I have created a father and daughter drawing and then drawing border with black color sketch pen. Then I am coloring this picture. Now cut it. Then connect this picture with the cardboard. Now I am connecting white color strips on the side. And white paper on the back side. Then create a flower with yellow color paper as I am showing you. In the same way, I have made 3 big and 1 small flowers, then connecting all them with each other. And connecting a small pulse at the middle. So it is ready. Then make leaves with green color paper. Now I am creating shades over these leaves. So it is done. Now connect these leaves and flower with this cardboard. Then take a white colored paper and make a paper stick. In the same way, I have made one more, then connect these 2 sticks with each other. I have created 2 big and 2 small sticks. Now connect the sticks all around the cardboard. Then take a very hard paper and wrap white color paper over it. Don't secure the upper side. Now take another piece of white paper and fold it like a W shape. Now connect these 2 parts with each other and connect it on the back side of this frame. So you can stand it like this. So the beautiful gift is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.